Welcome to your mindful moment. I am so glad that you're here. We live in a world that teaches us to shame our bodies, to eat less, to be less, to work out as punishment, and to chase someone else's version of perfect. But the truth is, real wellness starts with how we speak to ourselves. These affirmations are here to help shift your mindset from self-criticism to self-respect, from control to compassion, from shrinking yourself to supporting yourself. Because when we appreciate our bodies for what they do, not just how they look, we begin making choices from a place of love instead of punishment. Let's take these few minutes together to reconnect, realign, and remind yourself that you are already enough. Take a deep breath in and let it go. And when you're ready, let's begin. Repeat these affirmations out loud or silently in your mind. Let each one land gently. You don't have to believe every word today. Just be open to them planting a seed. My body is not an ornament. It is an instrument. It carries me through life, and I am thankful. I give myself permission to feel strong, soft, and safe in my body. Every breath I take is a gift from my body. I honor it with kindness. I release the need to criticize my appearance. I choose gratitude instead. My body is constantly working to keep me alive. I choose to support it, not shame it. I do not have to earn rest, nourishment, or love. I am allowed to take up space. I appreciate my body for what it can do, not just how it looks. Even on my lowest days, my body shows up for me. I choose to show up for it in return. Healing takes time, and I am worthy of compassion through every phase. I trust the wisdom of my body. It knows what it needs. I release comparison and choose connection with myself and with others. Today, I speak to my body like I would to someone I love. Take one more deep breath in and gently exhale. Feel grounded. Feel present. Feel whole. Please write down any of these affirmations that spoke to you and put them on a mirror or somewhere that you can read it often. Carry this energy with you throughout your day and let it guide you towards self-love, success, and joy. Remember, the more we speak to our bodies with kindness, the easier it becomes to make choices that truly support our health and happiness. You don't have to wait until you change your body to love it. You can love it right now while you work toward the life that you want to live. Thank you for being here and taking this moment for yourself. If you enjoyed these affirmations, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Mindful Monday videos. Wishing you a week filled with joy, peace, and beautiful moments.